The hair is super bouncy as well, like very, very bouncy. Like look at that bounce on these curls. Guys, so this is the finished look of this very pretty unit right here. So shout out to Wowafrican for sending me this unit, guys. So this unit is a Kinky Edge HD Lace Kinky Curly Bob, guys. I'll put the SKU number in here for you guys. So the unit is 14 inches long, guys. It is 180% density, and as you guys can tell, it is a nice kinky curly texture. Now today's hair video is very, very simple. It's a same day install, shake and go style unit. You guys know all the units from Wowafrican are complete units, so they come pre-bleached, pre-plucked, they come with the works. So it's very simple to style these units, guys. You don't really have to do much, and the unit is a glueless cap unit. You guys know it comes with this amazing adjustable strap. So with this unit, as you guys can see right here, it is completely glueless on my head. All I did was just adjust the curly edges on here just to cover up, so you won't see any lift up or anything on here. Looks very, very natural and simple, guys. I absolutely love this unit just because it is a nice kind of natural Lisa style, and it's something you can wear in the summertime where you don't have to glue the unit down, and you could just kind of rock it. Even if you wanted to take this unit and put it behind your hairline, this would be such a nice unit for that purpose as well. Now today I did go ahead and use the Ebin Wonder Lace tinted lace mousse. Now I use this product just because I just recently came back from a trip, and as you guys can tell, I am tan, so I wanted to use this just to tint the lace on the unit. I think that this did a pretty good job. Now obviously it didn't do much for the kinky baby hairs. I just basically kind of laid those down and let them do their own thing. I put the mousse down first, and then I just put like a little scarf on top of it just to hold it down. But you guys can see it's just the baby hairs are just doing their little kinky fun thing. I'm not going to go and plaster them down or do anything special to them. I wanted them to be as natural as possible, so I kind of let them do pretty much their own thing, and I think it actually looks really nice, guys. Like I said, a lot of the times with the hairstyles, you don't have to do plastered on baby hairs. Sometimes it's a little bit excessive. With this unit, I did use water and a little bit of styling conditioner. Now, the conditioner I used was just for anti-frizz, and because it's a kinky curly texture, I just wanted to make sure that it didn't frizz up. You guys can see the unit is basically about 85% dry at this point, and you guys can see the definition in the curls. Even when I pulled the brush through when I was wetting the hair, you guys saw how nice and defined these curls are. The hair is super bouncy as well, like very, very bouncy. Like, look at that bounce on these curls. Now I did decide to go ahead and cut like a little layer in the front area right here just to give me like a little bit of a shape. I feel like it needed like a little bit of shape just because the hair is kind of real bob length, 14 inches, and it gives you like the length hair, but it also has volume, so I wanted it to kind of give me like volume. You feel me? You feel what I mean? And guys, come on, just very, very pretty. I didn't go ahead and kind of play too much in it. I wanted to kind of, you know, fluff it out a little bit, but not fluff it out too much so that it doesn't turn it into a huge, you know, unit. But you guys can see that looks very nice. If you add like a little bit of a light leave-in conditioner, it won't do too much of a swell out. But I feel like this unit is very pretty, guys. The curls are super defined, so the curls have purposes, which is one thing I really like about curly hair. As long as it has purpose, it's not frizzy, and you can see the definition of the curls, it's a go-to wig for me. This unit is actually, like I said to you guys, a complete unit, so you don't have to bleach these knots on this unit. So that's why it was easy for me just to put the unit on. It already came with all the fixings, so all I had to do was just install it. So for my girls out there that are amateurs, people that are beginner friendly, that don't really know how to, you know, mess with wigs that much, hopefully these videos are helping you. I feel like this video is very simple today and straight to the point where you can't really mess it up, especially if you have no idea what you're doing. This company, hands down, like I mentioned before, is a top 5 company. For people that don't know what to do with wigs, the unit already comes to you perfect, so all you do is just install it, and today was the perfect example of installing a Wowafrican wig. So guys, I will leave coupon codes down below if you're interested in purchasing this unit from this company. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.